Let's boil some rice today. Then we're gonna heat our saucepan, add in some oil, then our chopped onion, give it a good mix. Then we're adding some butter for extra flavor. Then we're adding our chicken pieces. So this is chicken fillet. Chicken fillet cut in cubes. Giving it a good mix. Let the fillet soak in these juices. We're adding a bit of ginger garlic. We'll wait for our chicken to get nice and brown. We're adding in the cooking sauce for butter chicken, which was bought from Woolworths. Quick and easy meals. Add it on, give it a good mix. Smells amazing. Then we're gonna add on some fresh cream. And this is optional. It's really good to add on because it adds on to your flavor and it tastes amazing. Once you add your fresh cream, you can give it a good mix and then you can close the pot and let it simmer for around 10 to 15 minutes. We can also add on some roasted cashews to add on a crunch to our bite. That's optional. And finally,